Everyone, welcome back to my channel. But if it's your first time to come here on this channel, I encourage you to click the subscribe button down below. And of course, wag mo na rin kalimutan na i-click yung tiny bell button for you to be notified every time that I upload a video here on this channel. So today guys, sobrang na-excite ako sa content natin ngayon or sa video natin ngayon kasi ang dami-dami talaga sa inyo guys na nagme-message sa akin na nagtatanong, ate, paano ako mag-take ng NCLEX? Walang budget for the review, parang ang hirap, saan ako pwedeng kumuha ng mga review materials? Pwede bang isend mo na lang sa akin yung mga review materials mo sa akin, ate? Yan, sobrang ang daming nagme-message sa akin nun guys kahit nung nasa Pilipinas pa ako. So, I heard your request guys. Sabi nyo, kailangan nyo ng mga free materials. Wala na kayong budget. Kasi nga, alam ko, napakaliit talaga ng sahod natin as a nurse sa Pilipinas. So, instead of paying for reviews, alam ko, mas madami tayong mga priorities in life aside sa review natin na, you know, na napakamahal-mahal. So, what I'm gonna share with you guys is a free website. It is called unacademy.com. It is India's largest edtech platform, guys. And dati sa India lang sila, but now they've gone globally and they are now catering international nurses or students online. So, ano ba yung in-offer ng UN Academy, guys? So, ang UN Academy guys, nakapag-come up na rin po sila ng kanilang NCLEX RN Prep course. So, you can watch videos on their platform, you can join live classes, and again guys, these are all for free. They have more than 100 practice questions in their bank guys, and meron din po silang 7 mock tests, and nung trinay ko siya, trinay ko lang yung practice test ha. Yung mga questions niya, grabe talaga yung structure. The structure is same with the NCLEX. Now, let's try the practice test, guys. Medyo kinakabahan ako kasi ang tagal na nung na-take ko yung NCLEX. So, it will also be a review for me. So, I'm gonna try the NCLEX RN here. Start learning tayo. Meron silang extensive practice and yung kanilang plan for the course, it's really good guys kapag meron kang ganito kasi alam mo kung ano yung tina-target mo na timeline. Kasi kung minsan kaya tayo nawawala sa review natin kasi wala tayong target, wala tayong timeline. So maganda yung may ganong plano guys. Yung ibang question dito guys, tinake na ni Mac kasi ito yung ginagamit niya kapag nasa work kami. Pag medyo nabubore na kami, nagsasagot kami ng question. Let's do this free test dito. We're gonna do reattempt test kasi nga natry na to ni Mac. Tapos dito guys, makikita mo dito sa gilid niya on the right side, makikita mo kung may mga na-miss ka ba na question kasi kung minsan kakanext sa miss na natin yung ibang question. So maganda na meron siya dito guys. And then on this part naman, makikita mo yung question. So look at that. Para siyang yung structure talaga niya guys is just like the NCLEX and my timer talaga. Nurse Mary is caring for a patient with a morning sodium level of 119 MEq max per liter. Which of the following conditions is the most concerned for? So yung 119 guys is below, 'di ba? Yung mas mababa siya sa normal value. Diarrhea, well, probably diarrhea is already the reason kung bakit siya may sodium. Lethargy, pwede rin. Confusion, yes, it can help. Fever, not really. Pero para sa akin, ang condition na most concerned kasi yung question most concerned. So I'll go with seizure kasi nakakapagpa-seizure kapag mas mababa ang sodium. Sana tama. Naloloka tuloy ako. 'Di ba pinakita ko pa talaga sa inyo to. Ayan guys, so ipapakita niya dito sa right side kapag answered siya. So, tingnan natin guys, i-end test ko na siya. View solution. Ayan. Matas makikita mo pa dito guys kung ano yung mga topics na natatouch mo. So, kapag nagre-review kayo guys, kung gusto nyong balikan, you can just click this part kasi makikita mo kung ano yung mga weakness mo. So, gawin natin guys, view all solutions. And then, i-filter natin na yung correct answer lang natin. Kasi titingnan natin kung ano yung nilagyan natin na sagot. Parang di ko na nga maalala. Ayan, so yung question number 1 natin is about yung kay Nurse Mary. So, ano ba yung mas concern natin? Most concern is, of course, the seizure. Kasi kapag may seizure, madaming mga pwedeng mangyari. And then, the solution here, you can just view here. Ayan, makikita mo kung bakit. Ayan, so, 'di ba? Madali lang siyang intindihin. So, ganun lang kadali guys, yung pagtitake ng exam, yung solution makikita mo agad. Maganda din dito kasi makikita mo kung ano yung mga topics na kailangan mo pang pagtuunan ng pansin kasi makikita mo dito sa marks you scored and time taken kung ano yung mga nakita mo na or mas konti yung mga tinamaan mo na sagot. So, makikita mo guys, maganda siya yung platform nila kasi kitang-kita mo lahat. Ayan. Yung kanilang mga choices are same with the NCLEX too. Napansin ko rin guys na meron din silang mga select all that apply. And the good thing with that guys ay kapag natapos mo na yung test, makikita mo na lahat ng solutions niya from all those practice tests that you've answered. Hindi siya kagaya sa ibang platform na you need to spend more hours pa, antayin mo pa na i-message nila yung kanilang mga sagot. Like in other forums that it takes hours and also kailangan pa yung iba parang madami pa munang magsagot bago nila sasagutin yung question. Dun guys, once you end your test, makikita mo na kung anong solution and makikita mo na kung bakit ka mali, and of course, that way you will learn more sa pag-take ng NCLEX. So, paano ba mag-create ng account sa UN Academy, guys? Napakadali lang po. Para ka lang nag-create. Actually, mas mahirap pang mag-create ng account sa Facebook kaysa sa UN Academy. I tried it and you only need an email address and of course, your computer and a Wi-Fi. Napakadali lang niya. Basta lagay mo lang doon, wala kang kailangan na mga credit card numbers or debit card numbers, nothing. Kasi nga, for free na in-offer ito ng UN Academy. So, if you wanna try UN Academy, guys, I will leave the link on the description box down below. And yun guys, try nyo lang siya kasi why not? It's for free. Walang mawawala sa'yo. Mag-take ka ng madaming questions and practice more kasi it will help. And then, basahin mo yung solution kasi whether tama ka or mali ka, meron silang mga solution for your answer. So, I hope this video helped you guys. And I hope na hindi na kayo problema about your review center or your review materials kasi eto na, meron na tayong for free. And I'm so thankful guys with UN Academy for working with us. Kasi guys, walang nagbibigay ng mga ganitong perks sa mga nurses. Actually, madaming kumikitang company sa mga review materials. I'm just so speechless with UN Academy for offering these materials and these courses to the nurses kasi alam naman natin kung magkano yung presyohan sa mga ganito guys. So yun, try nyo lang guys and I hope na makatulong siya sa pagpasa nyo sa NCLEX and of course, sana makapunta na rin kayo dito sa USA soon. So yun lang guys, thank you so much everyone for watching my video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe, and of course if you haven't followed me yet on my Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is Joy of Mia, and I'll talk to you guys on my next one. Bye! I think it's sweet, she sometimes winks when she laughs. I like the way she dances barefoot in the grass, yeah, we get along alright. Cause I've been dating me my whole life. Afternoons